For just one-time cost, create unlimited storybooks in any language.
Whether you want to step in as the director of your own imagination and bring in your characters to life, this AI will craft a complete story, page by page, fully illustrated with characters staying perfectly consistent throughout. Or maybe you already have a script? Just drop it in and watch it transform into a living, breathing storybook. Every scene painted, every character seamlessly carried across each page. Or better yet, make your child the hero of their own fairy tale. Imagine their smile as they flip through pages where they are the star, illustrated in magical worlds built just for them. And here's the magic wand moment. You can download these storybooks, sell them as your own creations, or even turn on listening mode where the storybook speaks aloud, keeping kids spellbound like a bedtime storyteller who never gets tired. Like this. The monkey loved to swing high up in the green jungle trees. Every day was an adventure. One sunny morning, he spotted a tiny, shiny sparkle on a leaf below. What could that be? He wondered. Carefully, he climbed down, branch by branch, until he was very close to the shimmering light. It wasn't a sparkle at all. It was a tiny, clear dewdrop, round and perfect. Everything is done automatically in just one click. But it doesn't stop there. This AI doesn't just make storybooks. You can also create coloring books, clip arts, junk journals, mock-ups, ads, and more. Think of it as your infinite design factory, always on, always unlimited, for the price of a single meal. Stop pouring money into expensive subscriptions. Grab the lifetime deal today and create endlessly without ever worrying about credits or monthly fees. Click the link below and unlock instant access now.